If you want to remove people from photos on your Motorola smartphone, then in that case, what you can do is you can go to the Google Photos app, and then over here you can open the photo from which you want to remove people, and we're gonna use the edit button at the bottom of the screen. Now over here we can switch to actions, and you might be able to find the magic eraser, so we can select it, wait a couple of seconds, and now we should be able to tap circle or brush people to erase them. So let's say I'm gonna select these people over here. Let's see if they're gonna be selected. Okay, this one person has been selected, so we can erase that person in here. And of course we can keep going on and on until we remove everyone. So let's say I'm gonna tap on this person here, let's erase it. So as you can see, we don't have to really draw any shapes around people. You can usually just tap on a person to select it, and then we can erase them. Now, of course, there is a chance that you do not have the magic eraser in the Google Photos app. It is possible. So in that case, if you don't have it, then unfortunately you will have to use a third-party app that allows you to erase people from photos. And usually you can find these apps, of course, in the Play Store. So once we are done with editing, we can just save our photo, and there we go. So if you don't have the magic eraser, just go to the Play Store and search for something like magic eraser. There we go. And you can try to use any of these apps that you have in here to get rid of people from your photos. You can also try to type remove people or something like that to maybe try to find a specific app that is made just for that. And hopefully you can find something that will be satisfying to use. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.